To share today is a very personal journey I went through in the last 12 months during pandemic time. When pandemic hit us, I was still of the opinion that this is the time to pause, rewind and reset our lives. But I didn't realize how heavy it will be, what all one would go through. None of us were prepared, I guess. All of us have faced various challenges, different difficulties, obstacles. But the obstacles which we feel at a very personal, mental, emotional level are sometimes which we don't even express, are the bigger obstacles which define us, which are creating the fabric of our life, our belief system, our value system, our attitude towards our own life, towards the people around us, towards the society. This time has challenged all those things, and it's kind of hit the reset button, pretty much what I was thinking about what will happen. And sometimes it happens that it's very difficult to pause, when we have not accepted the situation with open arms. There is still a resistance of why this is happening, why me, why us. And I think when you go through this entire period of churning and trying to realize the three things which I possibly did during this period which helped me. One was that I actually paused. There was a time when, there are a lot of things coming your way and you're just going with the flow. But then there is a time when actually this situation makes you sit and ponder and pause and reflect. And during that period is the time when you go through this entire acceptance journey. It is painful. Acceptance of your own shortcomings, acceptance of the situation, acceptance of situation which is not in your control. Could be anything. And then the rewind happens because you are trying to readjust your new attitude, new belief system, invigorate the energy back into yourself, back into your life. And the reset button will only get pressed if you have done the pause and the rewind, because they're all interlinked. So if you tell someone that why don't you just do this and bring a change in your life, I think they need to pause and reflect before they press the reset button. And for me it was done by, I think, because of my creative pursuits. They help me channelize myself, channelize my energy, whether it is spending time with my son, sketching, painting, as you can see, or it could be writing, singing. I think I have immersed myself in so many creative pursuits that it has really put me back in order. It has reset my life. And like this, everybody has this power to reset. We just need to figure out what is our path. Is it our path about sharing and then resetting? Is it our path about contemplating and then working on it? Or is it about introspecting, and spending time with self and coming out of it and resetting? Whatever route it is, whatever route you take, I think the end result is the refreshed you, the revised version of you. And that is what I think this entire 12 months period I think has been. And I'm sure most of us have gone through this journey. It'll be nice to hear your stories as well. All the best.